Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing and signing into Sli.do so integration is immediate. Open PowerPoint, add the Sli.do add-in, and log into your Sli.do event. This links your slides to live interactions. Once done, enable presenter view and confirm mic and screen settings so polling and queue work smoothly. Make sure your event name matches the session and set basic poll types up front, because that saves time when you insert them directly into specific slides. Now you insert and configure interactions on the relevant slides. Use the Sli.do pane to add polls, quizzes, or queue and pick clear, concise titles, then set anonymity, timers, and correct answers so participants know expectations. Once configured, place each interaction on the target slide and preview in slide show mode to check layout and timing. If you need branching, create separate polls and label them. This keeps transitions predictable and prevents lost audience engagement. When presenting, start slideshow and open the linked Sli.do event. Show the join code or QR on the first slide so attendees connect quickly. You monitor live responses, moderate Q&A, and push results into slides at the right moment to keep flow. If Sli.do stops responding, refresh the add-in, rejoin the event from presenter view, or fall back to the web session at Sli.do. Com and paste results manually. This step saves the session and keeps your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.